Mga kapatid, sa araw na ito, samahan natin sina CJ at Reynalyn Joy sa mahalagang araw ng kanilang buhay, ang kanilang pag-iisang dibdib.
You even became my shoulder to cry on. Pero kahit ganon, ni minsan hindi ko naramdaman that you're up to something. You always make sure you're not crossing that invisible line. You're just genuinely concerned, and with that, I felt safe. Ika nga nila, uy, tutrupahin.
Hindi kami gano'n.
Pag tinignan kasi si CJ nang parang yung wala siyang kausap, parang ang tahimik lang. So parang sa akin, wala, kawawa naman, walang kausap.
Magaan lang po talaga yung loob ko sa kanya. Unang pagkikita pa lang namin, parang wala agad ilangan. Gets agad namin yung isa't isa.
The way you love me made me love myself even more. I not even know this kind of love is possible. I know life is not easy and it will never be. But I'm so glad God let me do life with you. Because I know life with you will all be worth it. Our forever starts here.
After 3 years of friendship, I realized my feelings had grown deeper. I took a leap and asked you kung pwede ba kitang ligawan. That was the best decision I've ever made. A year later, sinagot mo ako. That was the best decision you ever made.
Saan talaga ako dito?
I am listening. You are the voice whispering in my
Sa sakramento ng kasal, kayong dalawa ay pinag-iisa ng Diyos. Iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila'y magiging isa.
could hear the singing.
I know your phone's been giving you a hard time, so here's something new to start our new life together. A small reminder that I'll always be here to support you. Look out for you and try to make your days lighter and brighter, just like you do for me. Always yours, CJ. Thank you. Ang usapan kasi namin wala. Dito rin ako nag-prepare.
On the coast, from the stories old, let the truth be.
Thank you for loving all of me, despite all the insecurities, flaws, and imperfections. You never failed to make me feel like I was the most beautiful woman in every way.
What's in my head, falling free like a simple song I ecstasy. It won't let up, on and on, a familiar sound calling
CJ, I wanted to let you know how grateful I am that God chose you to to be my lifetime partner. That you mustered up the courage to cross that invisible line and pursue me 10 years ago. Thank you for taking the first step that led us to this moment. Because I can't imagine how life would be if you were not the one I got to spend the rest of it with.